So, Henry, we have today a complex content. A lot of people ask us about these hygiene kits. Our friends ask us actually those 5 questions. Are you ready to answer them?
Definitely. I'm ready.
So, you have 10 seconds to answer those. Is 6 hygiene items included in this kit?
Absolutely.
Hygiene kit not include toilet hygiene items. True or not?
It does.
Oh,
Of course.
is it expensive to start a hygiene kit?
No, not expensive. The basic
I think yes. I think yes.
depends on how basic you want to be.
We'll see. Can I use the kit for camping?
You can.
But
We will see.
can Wassim count the all classic items in 30 seconds?
I don't know. Can he?
So when it's come to toilet hygiene, you should be careful. A lot of countries, a lot of places when you are traveling have a public toilet hygiene as a disaster. So you should have those following items on you to be sure that everything goes okay. In this plastic bag, you should have disinfection swabs, wet tissues, normal dry tissues, hand gloves, and hand disinfection spray. Also, extra plastic bag for the waste.
For the sex hygiene part of your hygiene kit, we really recommend to take condoms, lubricant, tampons, plastic bags, of course, and wet wipes. And if you need a refill, get it from a certified source, for example, a local pharmacy. Best would, of course, be to just bring enough in the first place.
You need those only 3 items if you want to start your classical hygiene kit: toothbrush, paste, shampoo, soap, and deodorant. If you are minimalist, those are what you really need, if you are starting your hygiene kit.
So let's talk about prices. The most basic kit, you can already start with 15 euros in Germany. Of course, it depends on which kind of bag you want and how expensive it will be. If you want to add everything we recommend, it's about like 50 euros. Of course, it can also be more expensive if you want to add extras. Here's a list of all of the prices. If you really want to cover everything, here are some extras, which just by experience we want to recommend as well. For example, earplugs, blindfolds for sleeping, and body powder can be really, really helpful. If you want to use your hygiene kit for camping, just make sure it's waterproof or you use plastic bags inside. All of the bottles are spoil proof, you are able to hang it and never directly leave it in the sun.
If you are a travel guide or such an expert in traveling or a health expert and you need to give more tips for the people that are asking your help, this is the following. When we give the principle of packing the hygiene kit, we have those 3 parts as our orientation. We have the protective part, which as a disinfection, like in hand or surface disinfection. So the other one is personal hygiene. So shampoos, soap, or deodorant, even the toothbrush or toothpaste are all included as a personal hygiene. Everything's connected to personal hygiene. You should be sure that you have it in your items because it gives you this feeling at home, and this is very important psychological also. If you are traveling for long times and you seek your nice feeling at home. The last one is the active hygiene. So some of those active hygiene you have it already in your medication kit, but sometimes you have your medication kits away or you pack it in another tent if you are camping or somewhere else. So we recommend to have antifungal sprays, for example, or such special hand creams in your hygiene kit because it's near to your bed, near to where you sit. So another example, if you have sleeping tablets or whatever medication that you need all the time, be sure that it's in your hygiene kit. It's not directly affecting your hygiene, but it's affecting you at the end. This is our tips only for experts.